Understanding rained out, a guide to English weather idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that's especially useful for sports fans and outdoor enthusiasts, rained out. If you're curious about what this phrase means and how to use it in your conversations, stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and a bit of culture too. The phrase, rained out, refers to an event or activity that has been cancelled or postponed due to heavy rain or poor weather conditions. It's commonly used for outdoor events where rain can significantly disrupt the activities planned, such as baseball games, picnics, or concerts. Examples in sentences: the baseball game was rained out yesterday. Our picnic has been rained out, so we'll have to reschedule. Understanding the history behind the term can help you remember its usage. The phrase, rained out, originates from the world of sports, where games would be out or cancelled due to rain. It has since expanded to any outdoor event that could be negatively affected by rainy weather. While the term is straightforward, its usage can vary across different contexts. Let's take a look at how rained out is used in casual conversation, formal announcements, and weather reports. Casual conversation. Looks like our hiking plans are rained out. Let's watch a movie instead. Formal announcements. Due to inclement weather, the festival has been rained out and will be rescheduled for next weekend. Weather reports. Tomorrow's outdoor events are at risk of being rained out with the approaching storm. Interestingly, rained out can also be used more figuratively to describe situations where plans are disrupted by factors beyond our control, not just weather. For example, our plans were rained out by unexpected guests arriving at the last minute. It's always good to have a backup plan. When your plans are rained out, you can use the opportunity to reschedule the event for another day. Move the activity indoors if possible. Use the time to relax and enjoy indoor activities. Example response: the garden party is rained out, but we've arranged for a cozy gathering inside with games and hot drinks. I hope this video shed some light on the phrase, rained out, and you now feel confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, getting rained out isn't always a bad thing. It can be a chance to switch things up and make new plans. Stay flexible and keep learning, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time. See you in the next video.